Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Heptane and octane form an ideal solution. At 373 Kelvin, the vapor pressure of the two liquid components are 105.2 kilopascal and 46.8 kilopascal respectively. What will be the vapor pressure of the mixture of 26 gram of heptane and 35 gram of octane? Before starting the mathematical part, you have to go through the question properly. Here, which are the components in the solution? Heptane and octane. See, both are volatile. So, this is not a question of relative lowering of vapor pressure. Okay. So, here you have to use the Raoult's law for volatile solute. So, what is the equation? See, the equation is Pa is equal to Pa standard chi A and Pb is equal to what? Pb standard chi B, and what is the total pressure? Pa plus Pb. For doing this question, you must know this equation. Okay. So what is the meaning of Pa? Pa means partial vapor pressure of heptane. I am taking A as heptane in solution. And Pb is what? Partial vapor pressure of octane in solution. Now adding the partial vapor pressure, you will get the total vapor pressure of the solution. Hope you understand. Then what is Pa standard? Pa standard is the vapor pressure of the pure solvent heptane. What is that? 105.2. So we know this value. Okay. And now what is Pb standard? Pb standard is the vapor pressure of pure solute octane or pure liquid octane. What is that? 46.8. So we know this value, Pa standard and Pb standard. So once you find chi A and chi B, we can find Pa and Pb, right? Once you find Pa and Pb, we can find the total vapor pressure of the mixture. Hope you understand. Once you find Pa and Pb, just add it. You will be getting the total vapor pressure of the mixture. Now how to find chi A? See, for heptane, chi A is equal to Na by number of moles of heptane by total number of moles. Correct, right? Now how to find number of moles of heptane? Na is equal to mass of heptane by molar mass of heptane. So what is that? Mass is given, right? 26. How to find molar mass? See, heptane means CH16. So what is that? 12 into 7 plus carbon atomic mass is 12. 7 carbon is there. So into 7 plus 1 into 16. Right? So on adding, what you will get? You will get 100. Hope you understand. Now how to find number of moles of octane? Same pattern, mass by molar mass. What is the mass given in the question? 35. So 35. How to find molar mass? Octane means C8H18. So carbon atomic mass is 12. 12 into 8 plus 1 into 18. Right? Hydrogen atomic mass is 1. 18 hydrogen is there. So 35 by 114. Now find chi A. Na is what? 26 by 100 divided by 26 by 100 plus 35 by 114. On calculating, on solving, you will get 0.458. 458. Okay, 458. Now we know that chi A plus chi B is equal to what? Chi A plus chi B is equal to 1. Okay, so you can find chi B, right? What is chi B? Chi B is equal to 1 minus chi A. So what is that? 1 minus 0.458. So what you will get? You will get 0.542. See? Now we find the chi A value. What is chi A value? 0.458. And chi B value is what? 0.542. Okay, right? we got chi A value, and this is chi A value, and this is chi B value. Hope you understand. Okay, now moving to the last step, we are supposed to find the total vapor pressure of the solution, right? So what is that? P is equal to PA plus PB. Now what is PA? PA is PA standard chi A, and what is PB? PB standard chi B. What is PA standard? We already know it, right? 105.2, 105.2 into what is chi A? 0.458, 0.458 plus what is PB standard? 46.8, right? Into what is chi B value? 0.542. On adding, you will get 73.54. Okay, see, on multiplying this value, you will get 48.18, and on multiplying this, you will be getting 25.36, and on adding that, we will be getting this final answer 73.54. Hope all of you understand.